Today, the date of 29 January 2024 at India Gate, the time is approximate 8 past 2 minutes. I have a placard which is a blank because we don't know right now what is going to be the solutions happening at the conflicts with these Kuki militants in Manipur, precisely to the Imphal and the peripherals, by killing the farmer, killing the families which are innocent, and this has been happening for the last 9 months. So what should I write here? Shall I write help us, or shall I write to the Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, to help us, or to the government of Manipur to help us? If I write help us on this blank white paper, when are you going to write it? When are you going to accept that the needs is required immediately? If you say so, I need a commitment to fulfill, to bring your commitment in any point of time before the complete 9 months, which is the 3rd of February 2024. If you are unable to make it sure that what we should write here, then we will again come here in front of the India Gate. The India Gate is a symbolic standing examples of more than 80,000 soldiers died in the war, followed by the 13,300 died name has been encrypted. Do you want another person died, a civilian, innocent in the Manipur, and write the names on this white paper, or the India Gate behind me? Do you want me to put all the list in the India Gate with all those people died because of Kuki militants infiltrated from Myanmar and holding the weapons of sophisticated and killing wherever they want, up to the extent they have started killing the people, the civilians, and the state forces, the police, the BSF. This is what is happening from Manipur, and in this place, if you are not helping us what to write, then we will again come here in this India Gate to protest. Thank you so much.